So what is OBD2 DPF regeneration? For a person who drives a diesel car, you probably heard of something called a DPF, a diesel particulate filter. And all you've seen are this KRA DPF light on your dashboard. So what is DPF regeneration, and why is it important to your vehicle? So a DPF is this component on a vehicle that traps soot or carbon deposits produced after the fuel is burnt to prevent it from going to the environment to pollute it. Regeneration is a process by which this trapped soot is burnt off so that it can be released in a way that is not harmful to the environment. Regeneration occurs passively by the exhaust gases that are at a high temperature. They're able to burn off this soot, and then actively it can be triggered by the ECU. After the ECU detecting that all conditions are perfect, it can trigger this process first by increasing the exhaust gas temperature, injecting enough fuel, and so on. So the soot is burnt off. But at times there are cases when the ECU may not get the perfect conditions to trigger this process. For cases when you don't usually drive your vehicle, you usually park it, the ECU will not get perfect conditions to trigger it. So in this case, soot is going to pile up in the DPF, and this soot piling up in the DPF, it's going to cause this back pressure that first will cause problems to your engine. It will cause power loss, it will consume more fuel, and so on. So at this process, the vehicle will trigger a DPF light to the dashboard. So here is where the OBD2 machine comes in. OBD2 machine comes in to do a forced DPF regeneration. So in this case, when you connect the OBD2 to the car and command the ECU to do regeneration, the ECU will wake up and produce all conditions. Probably it will raise the exhaust gas temperature and all other parameters to ensure that this soot is burnt off.